Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Here I made a little short video on how to make a cleaner out of lemon, orange, mandarin, tangerine, lime, anything with citrus that you can create a cleaner using vinegar. I've been doing this over a decade and I just love it, love it, love it. I used to buy, this is one of the seasoning salt that I use, so just ignore that. I used to buy them and I thought to myself, why pay $10 for a tiny little bottle? Let me make it. So I've been making it over a decade and I put them in an empty bottle like this, container like this. This is the orange and it does have the orange stuff in it. I didn't drain it or anything. I didn't drain it. I just poured it, so I use it. It cleans everything. It's just fantastic. I just can't explain how it cleans, removes stains. My sink is shining. I use it for everything. I squeeze it in the dishwasher. I just cleaned today. It took me 2 hours to clean one of my fridge, which I think milk was spilled and it dried. This is how I use it, and I just scrub it and I just love it, love it, love it. I do have a ceramic oven top and I use that as well. I paid a fortune, $5 for a small container. That doesn't even do the job, but this is just fantastic.